All right, we're going to practice converting the customary system again. On the back of yesterday's sheet, we have today's sheet, which says Friday on it. So 1A, remember you have to show all your work. Miss Bridges likes to set it up the fraction way. So 2 pints is how many cups? We write what we know about pints and cups. I know there are 2 cups in 1 pint. The numbers are diagonal, so I'm going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4. Number 2A, 33 inches, and I want to convert that to feet. 33 inches is blank feet. I'm going to write what I know about inches and feet. I know there are 12 inches in 1 foot. The numbers are directly across from each other, so I'm going to divide. 33 divided by 12 is 2, with a remainder of 9. So that is 2 feet with 9 inches left over. 3A, 6 tons is how many pounds? I'm going to write what I know about tons and pounds. I know 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. The numbers are diagonal, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 2,000, which is 12,000. I wrote that in the wrong spot. 12,000 pounds goes up here. All right, 4A, 11,400 pounds, and we're converting that to tons. We're going to write what we know about pounds and tons. There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. The numbers are straight across from each other, so we're going to divide 11,400 divided by 2,000. Let's see, won't go in here, here, or here. Won't go in here either. It'll go in there 5 times. 5 times 2,000 is 10,000. We subtract and get 1,400 left over. So that is 5 tons and 1,400 leftover pounds. Number 5A, 3 cups is how many pints? I'm going to write what I know about cups and pints. There are 2 cups in 1 pint. The numbers are directly across from each other, so I'm going to divide. 3 divided by 2 is 1 with a remainder of 1. So that is 1 pint with 1 leftover cup. (6A), we have 139 ounces, and we're trying to convert that to gallons. Now remember I said you would be asked to know how many ounces were in a gallon. Do you remember? It's 128 ounces in 1 gallon. The numbers are directly across from each other, so we're going to divide. 139 divided by 128 is 1 with a remainder of 11. So that is 1 gallon, but this has quarts. This, remember, is not quarts. This is leftover ounces. So now let's see if I can make any ounces with this quart. So 11 ounces is how many quarts? What do I know about ounces and quarts? Well, I don't know anything, but I can get my big G out and look here. Inside this quart, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths. 4 eighths would be 32. So there are 32 ounces in 1 quart. Now, can I divide that at all? No, I cannot. So there are 0 quarts and 11 ounces left over. 7A, 4 pounds is how many ounces? We're going to write what we know about pounds and ounces. There are 16 ounces in a pound. The numbers are diagonal, so we're going to multiply 16 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. But 64 is not my answer because we also have 7 more ounces here. So we have to add 7 more ounces to the 64 ounces. So that is 71 ounces. Number 8A, 88 ounces is how many gallons? I should know that there are 128 ounces in 1 gallon. I cannot divide this at all. That is not a gallon at all. I only have 88 ounces, not 128. So it's 0 gallons. Now I have to see how many quarts that is. So 88 ounces, and I want to convert it to quarts. What do I know about ounces and quarts? Well, pretty sure we did a problem like this a second ago, and we discovered that there are 32 ounces in a quart. 32 ounces in 1 quart. The numbers are directly across from each other, so we're going to divide 88 divided by 32. That's 2 times, which is 64. When we subtract, we get 24. 2 remainder 24. So that was 0 gallons, 2 quarts, and 24 leftover ounces. Number 9, 6 cups is how many pints? I'm going to write what I know about cups and pints. There are 2 cups in a pint. My numbers are directly across from each other, so I'm going to divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 pints, no leftover cups. Last one, 10A. 19,800 pounds is how many tons? I'm going to write what I know about pounds and tons. There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. My numbers are directly across from each other, so I'm going to divide 19,800 divided by 2,000. 8 times 2,000 is, oh, that should be 9. 9 times 2,000 is 18,000, which leaves us 1,800 left over. So that is 9 tons with 1,800 ounces left over. You need to pause the video and work out 1 through 10B. Make sure that you show your work. You do not have to do the fraction. You do have to show me if you are multiplying or dividing. After you have worked them all out, you can unpause the video. You should have these worked out now. If you missed one, you need to work it out again to try to get the correct answer. If you cannot get the correct answer, you need to send me an email or ask me in a Zoom meeting. So this is 1 through 6. And if we move up a little bit, we can see 7 through 10. Again, if you missed one, work it out again. Try to get the right answer, and if you can't figure it out, send me an email or ask me in a Zoom meeting so we can make sure that you understand.